Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe an unusual holiday. So the first question is, do you think people in your country have enough long holidays? No. In my opinion, the duration of holidays in my country could be longer as due to immense workload. Immense workload means that we have large amounts of work to do. People do not get enough time to spend with their family and friends. Okay. The second question is, which holidays are important in your country? Several holidays hold significant cultural and social importance in my country, such as Independence Day. Also, religious festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Eid are celebrated across the country. Okay. Third question is, are there any popular places for holidays in your country? So, in this question, you can name your favorite places. Okay. Yes, there are indeed numerous famous destinations for holidays in my country, ranging from serene beaches and lush mountains to vibrant cities. Places like Goa, Nainital, and Ladakh are visited by numerous tourists throughout the year. Now you can replace Goa, Nainital, and Ladakh with something like Gangtok, Darjeeling, and Bangalore. Okay. So the fourth question is, what are the differences between old and young people when spending their holidays? So the question basically is asking, how do young people spend their time on holidays versus how do old people spend their time on holidays? So the answer is, there are many distinctions between older and younger individuals when spending their holidays. In my opinion, older generations often prefer leisurely pursuits and cultural experiences like art shows or visiting museums, while younger generations tend to gravitate, so they go towards adventure sports activities like kayaking or trekking. Okay, so this marks the end of the follow-up for describe an unusual holiday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button